Hey guys. Hey. Hey girl. Hey guys, hey. Welcome back to my channel. So, it's nightly cap for macros. I do want to throw in a little disclaimer. This isn't my first week on keto. I guess I kind of threw people off with the thumbnail, how it's like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. That was just me, my days of actually sharing them nightly with you is what that meant. So no, I'm not new to keto, although I love all of the keto advice. It's all very helpful, especially when I'm stalling. I'm still learning. I've been on keto for 5 months. I've lost 47 pounds. I love keto. All the advice that I can get, I take it. I love it. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm not going to be mad about any of it because I don't know everything. I don't claim to know everything. So I learned a lot of things in the comment section on last night's video and I really appreciate it. So keep your advice. It's helpful. It shines some light on some things that was probably the reason why I was, I mean, everybody, you're not going to just consistently like lose, you know, you're going to gain a pound, lose a pound. That's just real weight loss. And now if I was gaining and gaining, that would be something different. But, I'm pleased. I'm still happy with the month of March. I did fast today. I did a 16-hour fast and then I broke my fast with a salad. And then I guess we'll just dive right in, huh? All right. I had stopped eating at 7 o'clock, but I realized my fasts were really low today. And so I just had to kind of up that. So my new fasting will start now, I guess. Although it's 9:43 p.m., but whatever. I'm not concerned. Totally not concerned. Okay, so for today, I had 16 out of 21 carbs, which I stay below 20 anyway. So 16, that's good. I had 93 fat and 78 protein on 1,255 calories. Not bad. For breakfast, I had a black coffee with a teaspoon of heavy whipping cream. And a lot of you guys told me that that's completely fine in your coffee and it won't break your fast. So that's what I done. Lunch, I had a cup of spring mix lettuce-y stuffs. I had about, not even a teaspoon, it was like a pinch of bacon bits. I had, it wasn't even half an egg, like maybe half an egg crumbled up, 4 grape tomatoes, 3 little of the tablespoons of this like shredded up grilled chicken, 2 tablespoons of the Kraft ranch dressing, and a tablespoon of shredded cheddar cheese, and then these mini salami sticks. So I had like 4 of those. Altogether for lunch, it was 4 carbs. And for dinner, I had my soup, which I kind of just broke it down. There was about 2 ounces of beef pot roast. There was probably maybe not even 1 stalk of celery, about 2 tablespoons of diced tomatoes, a couple slices of zucchini. I added maybe 1 medium cabbage leaf. That was a cup of beef broth, 2 or 3 radish, and then for dessert I had half a cup of the Enlightened Mint ice cream with a tablespoon of whipped cream. And then because my fats were so low, I had, I wanted a little bit of almond milk. I had about 3 ounces of almond milk, 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, and then 3 slices of salami. I can't talk today. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, that's my day. Also drinking, which is completely zero, this coconut flavored LaCroix. This is actually the first LaCroix that I can actually stand the taste of without adding any liquid sweetener to it. It has the hint of the coconut flavor and I really enjoy it. I love it a lot. So those were my macros, and my dog. I went live today. I walked Link after work when my soup was heating up, and there was one friend came. So thank you for coming and chatting with me on my little walk. Maybe I'll do that more often. I'm trying to figure out what he's doing. Maybe I'll do that more often. I realize it's a time where a lot of people are like working and everything, and that's okay. If you show up, you show up. If not, then that's okay too. But yeah, let me know what you guys did today down in the comments. How was your macros today? Did you go over? Did you stay under? Did you have a good keto day? All right, guys, I'm going to try to get some rest tonight since I haven't been going to bed until about midnight. It is 9:47 right now. I really wanted to go to bed at 9, so I'm out of here, guys. Make good choices.